wearing shoes because I'm going to school today. But today we're gonna look at Transformers Prime Ratchet. It's a different version of Transformers Prime Ratchet because I don't know why. Because he just has a different paint job. Just a second, please. And he has these, and his hands, you flip them in, then he has like these tiny swords that he uses to like chomp off zombies' bodies. And do you know the coolest thing about this Ratchet? He came with the opening drill.